What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford remote head key fob. So this Ford key fob is the 4-button version, as you can see. You may have a different icon on your button here, or you may have the 3-button version as well. No matter how many buttons or what buttons you have on there, it'll be the same procedure to change the battery. And this key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. Then I'm going to be using a quarter to open the case of our key fob. If you don't have one of these handy, you can also use a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key and we take a look by the key ring off to the side, we see this notch right here. What I'm going to do is hold the key fob like this. I'm going to stick the quarter in that notch. Or if you're using a flathead screwdriver, stick the blade of the screwdriver in that notch. Make sure it's all the way in there, and then I'm just going to twist it. As I do that, you can see it pops the back of the shell up. And then you may need to come over here and put this in again, kind of in the middle. Twist again, pop it up the rest of the way. Once you get that back cover off, you may have this little rubber piece. Go ahead and pull that off as well. And now we see our battery right here. And there's kind of this little notch you can get a finger on. If you can't quite get your finger in there, you may also need to grab a small screwdriver or something like that. Anything with a point on it just to get them to the edge. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down there. Now ready to put this back together. If your rubber piece has come off or moved, there's two sides. You can see one has this little round piece right here that sits in here. So that's going to be sitting in there like that. And then we'll just snap this back on. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.